Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can use the front camera as default on Instagram. First, we will quickly check if Instagram is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and find Instagram. If the update button is there, click it and wait for Instagram to update. After that, open Instagram. When we open Instagram, we will go to the plus symbol in the upper right corner. After that, we will click on the icon of our camera, which is located near the middle of the screen on the right side. When the camera opens, the next step is to click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. A large number of options will open here, but the one we need is called Default to Front Camera. If it is turned off, we will click to turn it on. That is all. Now whenever we open the camera on our Instagram, the front camera will open. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.